Oh. Said to give the fella a little pep talk there about his fingers. Watch yourself. That frame is going to drop if that engine. Did you get them all out?
Yeah, I'm sure I got them all.
But are you sure you got all the bolts out? Here. There is?
It's fucking hidden in the fucking,
yeah,
right in the fucking corner.
Yeah. That'll stop it.
They're fucking loose.
Yeah. Happens. So there's 4 on each one, not 3.
Yeah.
I only felt 3 too. The ones there must be off cigarette or just the way you got to reach under there to grab them.
Yeah. Yeah. I go fuck a little reach around.
Ooh.
Well, at least once we get this off, it should just come on.
That'd be something, eh? That'd be neat. 11th time's a charm.
Well, if this doesn't work, I quit.
Yeah, cut the fence. F it. boys. That's a good day, you know what I mean? Half a jag, we got half a jag on. Oh dear, not too bad. Not too bad at all. 17,000 868. Scores. How much money's? Friggin' tractor. Oh no. No. Oh no. Oh, go ahead, but I'm just making a movie. I think so. Holy shit.
You're not a family, so I figured you would start planning.
That's my scrap guy hitting stick now. Got into my trailer. The old One Fork Wonder. Having troubles with my computer too, boys. That's the deal with the... I mean, I could get into it, but long story short, I try to edit and it'll play for like 3 seconds and then spinning wheel of cigarettes, and then 15 minutes later it'll let me play it for another 3 seconds, and then this and that. But 11,288. Much obliged. Have a good day. Holy shit. Oh, please, Mother Lord. Thanks for your time.
Yeah, sorry, man.
No worries. I'll figure it out sooner or later.
All right.
My exhaust fell off though, so now I'm in kind of, you know what I mean? I got it cobbled on there, so I got this, well, I got a brand new exhaust, but it'll only fit on this. It won't fit on the stock elbow, but I can't put, you know what I mean? I can't clamp the, it's just stupid. Like, why wouldn't they make this the same as the stock one? Because you're replacing, this replaces the stock.
You know why?
Yeah, so you got to buy a clamp. Because they're
It's probably 50, 60.
yeah, exactly. Right on. Have a good day. Oh, dear, boys. My Dodge coming, so I need to put this exhaust brake on it, so it's awesome. I mean, it is still totally awesome. Big time, but... Oh, I want to see how sick and sticked I am. That's Herc. Okay. That's Herkin, and a bunch of it got on my truck. Oh, man. Alright, well, I guess we'll go and get a Woodruff key and some stuff, and then we'll go home. It'll be awesome. Just ordered hubs, spent all this money on hubs, and not shipping. Appreciate it, mister. Thank you. Have a good day. Well, at least we got something. Oh no. What happened?
The alternator is.
Oh, I know. I seen it. Just.
Yeah. Throw that in there now.
This thing's gross.
Oh, it's fucking nasty.
Well, here, lick that so I can stick it on my window.
Oh no, not a chance.
I just got to get it a little wet so it's stuck on my window. Oh no.
Find a puddle somewhere.
Oh no. These people here, they're the good stuff and they ratted and shit.
Yeah.
And now this dumb bitch thinks that I want to stand in my yard and listen to her cackling horse shit. Isn't that funny?
Very funny.
Playing tractor?
Yeah, it's just over rototilling.
Oh, rototilling.
He says
Let me borrow that.
he could probably do anything for you after 5 o'clock today. If you want to run down there, he can meet you and load you up if you want.
Right on. Can I do 2 loads or just 1?
Well, it's up to you.
Oh! Oh! Hey, hold on. Yeah, that works way better than fucking backhoe.
Shit out of it with a fucking...
Right on. Thank you.